Thina ningabanqobi ukuthathwa kwemali yabasebenzi ingayisesikhwameni isiphatha kabuhlungu le ngoba ukwakhiwa kwalento yakhelwa abasebenzi babe nama-benefits bakwazi uku-assessa ama-benefits njengamanje ama-benefits abawa-assess ngoba abaqashi babamba imali bangayisi esikhwameni like yiphi le mali engikhuluma ngayo ngikhuluma ngemali ye-provident fund kuzoba imali ye-affiliate health kuzoba i-levy uthole ukuthi yonke lento uma yenzeka basebenza ngaphansi kwemikhakha ka-government okusho ukuthi baqhafaza abantu ngaphansi kwegama lika-government sithi-ke lokhu siphatha kabuhlungu.
I'm not feeling very well because now we get to suffer a lot, yet our money has been deducted, but it doesn't get to where it's supposed to go. Now at the end of the day, you find yourself, your children are suffering while you are busy working well. Now seven there for years, but abantwana bayasokola, and then naxa uswelekayo in most cases we suffer xa umuntu eswelekileyo ufumane imali zakhe akuyazi ukuthi siphelelele. Singavuyela ukuthi sitreatwe like any other industries, like ama-bosses ethu angasitreata kakuhle imali zethu like xa zitsalwa ziye apha zifune kuya khona.